At Esquel, we are a manufacturer. We are very focused in cotton, and we are in the traditional industry. So this is what we face with today. Well, we are talking about an industry that is, you still see, despite all the efforts to innovate, right now, if you go into any of our garment factories, it still looks more like this picture rather than the one shown before. So the question I think we need to ask ourselves is, what are we trying to do by pursuing the smart technology? What are we going to do with the people that we have today? Here, I would like to introduce one of my colleagues to you, the lady that's on the left side of the picture. She's she's an owner of 2 national patents in China for garment manufacturing technologies. You would have imagined a future manufacturing, a future factory, we will need more people like her who are able to design the manufacturing process so that we could drive automation into our factory. However, when she joined us 28 years ago, this is she. She joined us as a sewing worker. Through hard work, through a lot of her self-learning, she actually picked up a lot of the technical skills, not just contributing by hand dexterity, but to the stage where she actually contributed a lot in terms of driving a lot of our automation projects. So one of the questions that we all need to think, especially for those who are in an industry more like ours, is how we used our people. Today, we use them as replacements for robots. We use them, we pay them for their manual work. How can we use it more than that? I think the story from my colleague here, she changed from a sewing worker to a technician. And she's now not only managing a workshop, but also a key force of our automation projects. The whole world, there's about 60 million people working in the textile, apparel, and footwear industry. We don't need a lot, but if we can find the right people, how can we use that talent and contribute to a technology? Maybe if we're talking about smart technology, it's not necessarily something that's in a sensor, but the smart technology may be in your factory today.